Brothers Bistro, Hot Bites, bringing you tips to ensure your success.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, I learned something today.
What did you learn?
Well, you don't want to know about it?
I said, what did you learn?
You don't sound very excited.
I gotta be excited.
Yeah.
You got so much stuff coming out of your brain.
I know.
And it's usually not that exciting.
Well, this is kind of exciting. Okay, so I learned a new technique. If you're feeling a little anxious, a little overwhelmed, there's an ancient Chinese technique.
That's because you're always anxious and overwhelmed?
No.
All right, show me. What are we going to do, though?
So,
what am I going to do? So if I'm anxious and overwhelmed.
You can't do it if you're too anxious or too overwhelmed. But if you're just a little anxious and you've got the presence of mind to do this, you tilt your head back.
I'm tilting it back.
Roll your eyes up just a little bit, like look up to the sky.
Okay.
Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Don't you feel better?
Do I need to do this too while I do it?
No, that's optional.
Okay.
But don't you feel better?
I do, actually.
Yeah.
It feels like you're able to kind of let go of the stress.
Yeah.
Like just, you're breathing it in and then you're just kind of letting it go.
So let's tell our viewers, because we got thousands of people watching, if they're feeling anxious and overwhelmed, try this technique and let us know what you think.
You could even do it in your office, like sitting at the chair, right? Just sit back.
Nobody needs
roll
to
your
know.
head back, look a little up, breathe in through the nose, and out through the mouth.
And let us know how it goes.
Yeah, no, that would be super cool. Okay, Brothers Bistro, out.